Hi friends, welcome to PC Link. Before entering video, don't forget to click subscribe. Softwares required for this process are ECB CD and the new OS software. Both the download links are in description. Make use of it. First step is creating an empty local disk. See, I need an empty local disk here. So I am going to create an empty local disk. Close this my computer. Click start and open run. Type disk mgmt.msc and click enter. A new menu opens. See, I have a 44 GB free space in drive D. So what I gonna do is I will string 20 GB from local disk D and create a new volume with that 20 GB. Now we have a free 20 GB here. Right click on it and click new simple volume. Click next. 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 We can give drive names here. Just click next. Finish. See, we have a new volume G here. Let's see in my computer. Oh, we got a new volume G here. It is empty. Step 2 is copying the OS files to that new local disk. I have my OS in D drive. Copy all. Copy all these files. Go to the new local disk. Paste it here. What? Oh, don't worry, just click copy both files. See, now we have two autorun files. Don't worry, I'll show you how to delete one autorun file in the next step. If you don't have this error, go to step 4. Open in safe mode. Delete one autorun here and rename the second autorun to simply autorun. Now again restart the computer and open in normal mode. I am going to install ECB CD setup. Click ECB CD, click next. I agree. Next. Install. Finish. ECB CD is now installed. Step 5 is adding entry in ECB CD. First open ECB CD. Click English and OK. See, in ECB CD click add new entry. Now open start and open run. In run type msconfig and click OK. In that click boot, we have one boot option now. Now go to ECB CD, click WinP. Now in path, choose the file location of the operating system. We have my operating system in new volume. In that go to sources, click boot.wim. Give a name to your new entry. Now click add entry. Add entry. Now close this msconfig menu. Now open msconfig again. In boot we have two options. Okay. Now in edit boot menu option, click second option yes and save settings. Now everything is set. All we have to is restart our system. Step 6 is restarting. Click next. Type the operating system you want to install. Click custom. Click C or primary disk. Thank you for watching.